Everything that we do revolves around a truck. Our inventories come in through truck, our products go out by truck. And if we have trucks sitting on the yard, that's a product that's not moving.
When those trucks are sitting, they're not generating any revenue, so we're losing revenue. Our customers are needing more trucks, so it puts us in a pretty sticky situation when we don't have enough employees to fill those dump trucks.
The shortage of truck drivers in South Carolina is quickly rising as older drivers retire and turnover rates increase. To address this need, Piedmont Technical College and SC Works have partnered with local logistics agencies to create a new program. Titled Ready to Roll, this program is designed to grow the region's workforce in this sector.
PTC and SC Works have worked together in various programs in the past, and this partnership with CDL actually allows us to have hands-on, where they provide the case management and job placement, and we can have more interaction with the students.
There's a very large startup cost to a CDL program, and so we realized, one, we already had SC Works on board, but we would need other partners on board to help us financially to get the program up and going. And one of the great partners to look at was some of our local employers who need CDL drivers who are looking for them. And so we had some trailers and other equipment donated. This helped to severely decrease our initial startup costs from the college. Now, Piedmont Tech, on the other hand, was able to go out and secure some additional trucks as part of the program. So as you can see, we were able to get the overall program going, but with just a little bit of investment from each of the partners to make it happen.
The program, which is funded largely by a grant from the South Carolina Workforce Development Board, runs for 6 to 8 weeks and provides the hands-on training necessary to master the skills for a career in professional truck driving.
Laws and the requirements for drivers now are a whole lot more complicated than they used to be. You'd get in a truck and drive. And now you've got CDL requirements, and you've got ELD requirements, which are automotive logging. And you got to have some kind of training to go into that.
You can take someone, whether they're young, middle-aged, or older, who has never driven a truck before. They could be a novice in the field of truck driving. They can become a certified CDL tractor trailer driver with the potential to make between $50,000 and $75,000 in their first year, driving nationally across all 48 states, regionally or locally, because there's such a demand for CDL drivers at this time.
Piedmont Tech has awarded $75,905 in scholarships to Ready to Roll students since October 2018. As a result, all of the 28 students who have completed the program have done so tuition-free. The impact for students and employers is clear.
The program is already producing licensed drivers. We have an immediate need that we have filled several positions already. Not only our company, but several other businesses at Greenwood have really benefited from this program, and will benefit in the future.
First time I got in the truck, couldn't get it in gear and grinding the gears. It's like they knew my level of competence right then, but they didn't stay there with me. They continued to work with me. And I'm a pretty happy camper now, you know what I mean? I'm a truck driver, certified, by the way,